And good evening, everybody. I am Michael Filigera. I'm with logicalsignals.com, and it is Sunday, April 4th. Happy Easter. And this is the Elliott wave update for the NQ for Monday's trade. And I'm going to begin on the hourly chart and continue to say that where we left off, we really had moved the alternate count into the preferred back over to the alternate for right now. And that remains the case coming into Monday. The market continues to trace out, in my estimation, a five-wave advance to complete a minor C wave, which will in turn complete an intermediate B wave and set the stage for a C wave decline. Again, looking for that magic decline, and it's still out there by both counts. It would continue to be out there. So it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So we're looking for this to complete and then for the next decline to begin. And it should be a fairly steady and deeper decline, similar to what we saw in the A wave, except wave A ended up being three-wave structure and the C waves are always five. So that's one of the rules. That a C wave will always consist of five waves. So in the case of what we're doing right now, we are in that C wave, but it's in an advanced stage. And we now have put a minute third wave completing at, I believe, during Friday's early Globex session. So the US markets, again, were closed on Friday, but they were open during Globex. So during that session, the NQ reached a high at 13,393. And now it has begun to come off. And what I have put labeled it with the 3, and we are beginning a fourth wave decline. Looks like we may have already completed wave A and wave B, and now going to drop into C wave, which I would suspect is at least going to come back to 13,276 at 0.618 retracement, or that Fibonacci level, which was resistance going up, now becomes support coming down. But definitively, I think it should hold above the 50-day moving average, which right now is sitting at 13,253. So 250 to 255, all in that area. I would imagine that it could penetrate it, but it should retake it. If it starts to break too far, then we do have room coming off. But I would expect that it's going to hold within the fourth wave of one lesser degree, and that's right here as I'm running this circle. So, and that corresponds to both these levels. So that's what I'm looking for wave 4. And then again, for it to put in a wave 5. And so initially, I'm going to be looking for resistance at 13,457, so 455 to 460 in that area. But in essence, as long as we're counting, as long as it's going to be a 5-wave structure up, that's what we're looking for. Small 5, could be extended, but we're looking for a 5, and it has to at least take out that 13,393. Once a new high is put in, it's met all the qualifications. If the structure itself, so the form of that structure, fits what we're looking for and it breaks to a new high, could be done. But I have a feeling that it's going to go at least to 13,457 to above 460. And then again, we have potential that this could go to 13,688 to almost 13,700 before all is said and done, and it gets ready to drop again. So what we're looking for tomorrow. For the downside, I think should be very limited to just this completion of this little fourth wave, and then we get a rally. If we begin to drop down more severely, well, then we'll take a step back and we'll count it. But remember, what the motto here is, it's like we trade what's in front of us. So we will trade the move and then play it against where we do have support, where our moving averages are coming in, and then we'll have additional support and additional moving averages. So the market would literally have to break below 13,050 before it really gets into like, holy cow, what's it doing? That the upside is complete there and we're just not going to tumble down. Is it possible? Of course. But we're giving a higher probability to these areas holding in the market, continue higher and possibly getting back up towards this 13,500 to 13,700 zone before the next decline comes in. That's where we're going to leave it for tomorrow. I wish everybody a very good trading day, and I hope everybody's had a really good long weekend. And the next update will be Monday, April 5th.